Hey there, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. And you're in the right place today if you want to learn this Juice Newton song, Angel of the Morning guitar lesson. And that's coming up. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by, where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. If this is your first time here, have a look around. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips and tricks. Check out the first link in the description where I've got the tab for this lesson and more. And a little bit later on, I'll show you some neat tricks on different ways to play this song. So stay tuned for that. Let me show you the chords in this song. And first off, you're going to need a capo and put it on the 4th fret. And we're going to use like the E shape right here. And when I tell you the chord shapes, they're not actually, they're just the names of the chords, but we're not actually playing an E right here. That would be a G sharp. So just go with the shapes of the chord. E, E shape, A shape, B shape, and a minor bar chord shape. That's all the chords in this song. It starts out, there's different ways you can play it. If you're a newbie beginner guitar player, you might want to, it starts out slow, so you can just strum it. A, B, A. So it starts off E, A, B, but there's different things you can do, like arpeggiate it is really not hard. I'll show you it. Or you could just hit the bass note one time. You're still playing that E, A, B, A. So I'll show you all of that. If we're hitting the bass lines, it's the 6th string for the E, strum, then the A string, 5th string, A string again, but now we're covering it with the 1st finger, we're making B chord. Back to the A. If you're going to arpeggiate the chord, I'll name the strings starting from 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3. That's on the E. When you get to the A, 5, 4, 3, 2. The B, 5, 4, 3, 2. This time we're covering the A string. Back to A. beginning of the song, the intro, before she starts singing, you're going to play E, A, B, and then back to A. And then the verse starts. She's starting to sing. And we're going to play E, A, B, A through the verse. You're going to do that 5 times. It goes A, E, and F minor. And you're staying on the F minor and strumming. And you're just strumming up and down, 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 up, down. F sharp minor. I see no need to take the home, B. I'm old enough to face the dawn. F sharp minor, D. And then goes into the chorus. Hey, if you're liking this type of lesson, can you give me a thumbs up? Leave me a comment. Helps me out and lets YouTube know to promote the video, so help me out. Alright, so after that we've got the chorus. And I'll show you and then I'll tell you the chords. Alright, so we're just strumming the E, A, B, A, B, E, A, B, A, B. After you play that 3 times through to play the chorus, then it's gonna go start the next verse, and then you're gonna, it's the same as the first, play another chorus, middle of the song where it says, I won't ask you to stay. It's real slow and it's E, A, back to E, A again, then Juice Newton wails, baby, and then it starts the verse, it starts the chorus. Just call me in the morning. So it continues that and then it just fades out. Check the first link in the description so you can get the tab for this lesson and more. Thanks.